from Amazon. Online from Amazon, that one. My selfie stick ready now. Tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo ang selfie stick ko. Si Dodong nag-open ng selfie stick ko. Yes. Yan. Chargeable. Chargeable, that one. Chargeable?
Yeah.
Chargeable. Mura lang to kasi nag-discount. Sale siya, sale. 100 lang, 100 plus. Yung Amazon. Ala! Mayroon na akong selfie stick. Yan na. Where's the charger? Yan. Ayan na. You can see how it is going on.
This one.
It's heavy.
Remote.
Remote. Ah, with remote. Very nice. When you make stanza, make remote only. Where's the charger?
This one.
Ah, we have charger here. What's that?
You can keep it like that, standby,
Mashallah.
like tripod.
Standing good?
Yeah, like that. It will become like tripod.
Oh. Aywa.
And
Then, can I take by only hands, no stand? How I get the stand? Ah, very tall, very nice. If I get the stand hand by hands like that when you bending something. Yan. Paano siya ilagay? Kasi walang technology si Badiday. Si Dudong na may technology always. How to put my phone? Aywa, the scroll. Make it ready. Then how to charge that one? Wait. Okay, what is that? This one. How to remove? Try my phone. Try my phone. This one, my phone is in front the camera. How it's coming? If like this, I will use.
keep it.
Keep it. Okay. Like this. Strong. Even I make side. Ah. I make like I want. Oh, very nice. This one for recording stand up, standing on this. Oh.
Okay, you press the button.
Don't put in the button because that's one side. I want a little bit.
Press the button. Yeah.
Strong.
Mm.
Then what about the remote? Okay. The battery, yung kuan yan, yung remote control. How to open? We have lock maybe. Ah, the battery.
This battery. 2 battery.
New battery sa?
Mm.
The center yun, ha? Because I want. Then how to use camera? If you click the camera on, just try. I will open the camera here. Open the camera. Where's the camera? Wait. How to turn on the remote?
Here, this one.
The other side.
Turn.
Aywa. So. Then try to like this. Camera. Click. No, it's not connected. No. Wait.